Hey, everybody! Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily disable the device merge feature on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put likes, write your comments, and let's get started. So, to begin with, in general, I will tell you what the device merge feature is and how it can be useful. This feature allows you to share, for example, photos, as well as contacts and some other information through your iPhone. When you put your iPhone on top of another iPhone, like that, they'll have a device merge and they won't be able to share information that you want to share. If you don't want to use this feature because it can, for example, drain your battery faster, or you want more security for your phone so it doesn't happen accidentally, then you can turn it off very easily. To do this, go to your phone settings. Next, scroll down to Basic. Here you'll find Create by Air. And you'll see right in the middle of the screen the device merge feature. And in order to disable it, you just press the green button, like this, to turn it off. And you will no longer be able to merge devices and transfer information that way through your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you, friends. You have understood how you can disable the device pairing feature on your iPhone. Give us your likes, comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.